Well, we all have our favorite Asian restaurant, but with that comes time and money. Why not do it from the comfort of your own home? Don't worry, you're not losing that amazing flavor, but most importantly, you're saving time, you're saving the dime. I'm gonna show you how to do it with a few simple ingredients. Let's go. Well, the beauty about a stir fry is essentially you can put whatever you want in there. So for me, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil down, and then I just so happen to have some onions, some green bell pepper, some red pepper in my refrigerator, and I need to utilize it. So gonna add that down, and then I'm actually just gonna season it with our SPG, one of my favorite seasonings that our Blackstone offers.
Awesome, it goes on everything.
It's so good, I literally put it on everything. So like I said, you can essentially add whatever you want as far as veggies go. These are my leftovers, and that's the beauty of a stir fry. Whatever you got in your fridge, you better use it. These need a little bit of time to caramelize, and once they're done, we'll come back and put our shrimp on. Veggies are looking pretty good, almost done. We're gonna talk about the shrimp now. I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil down to the griddle here. And then how I'm gonna season my shrimp with, this is fun though, you can do whatever you want. For me, I'm doing the citrus garlic mojo by Blackstone.
It's got a nice kick to it.
It does, and I love that citrus aspect. It is so good, goes really well with the stir fry.
I'm not crazy about shrimp, but you definitely want to have these like cleaned and...
Definitely want to have these cleaned, deveined, tails off. And then just give them a good little coat in that olive oil. Make sure that each little shrimpy are laying flat to the griddle top.
Yeah,
now,
that's nice sear, right?
Nice sear for that. Now we gotta talk about the noodles here. Listen, I don't got time to go inside and boil some noodles. So just buy the ones that are already done for you.
This is a great hack.
I love this. This is my favorite noodles to use, especially when I'm so busy and I just really need to get that dinner down. There goes my noodles. All this needs is just a little touch of water, and they honestly just fall apart by themselves.
Yeah, they just, essentially you're just steaming them up.
You are steaming, exactly.
Already done, so.
Yep, you're just warming them, they're falling apart. Now we gotta talk about the bean sprouts here. I love bean sprouts. CJ, we were just talking about this. So nice and crispy, add a great texture to that stir fry. Now we're gonna add a little bit of bachans. Bachans, one of my favorites. Absolute yummy Japanese barbecue sauce. Add a little
like
bit.
soy if you want, or like tamari's a good option.
Tamari's great, exactly. Give them a quick little toss here. Look how beautiful that is. Well, everything has had time to cook. Now it's time to start adding that extra flavor. Let's add a little bit of bachans, one of my favorites here, on top of the shrimp. Let's go ahead and add it on the noodles and some extra on the veggies. And now let's incorporate the noodles and the veggies together. Give it a good little toss here and plate. Now for me, I like to add the shrimp on top last. Just a really great presentation. And for me, I'm gonna add some of those green onions on top and the sesame seeds, and that is it. And I told you you were saving your time and your dime. I gotta try this. It looks amazing. Let's eat. Oh my goodness, I've got to get a little bit of everything. I got to get the noodles first and then the shrimp here. All right, let's taste this bad boy.
This looks fantastic, and it was done in like, seriously, like 7 minutes. This was so quick.
Oh my goodness, all of those flavors. The green onion, the sesame seeds even, the crunch.
It's texture. Texture goes a long way.
I cannot believe I made this in under 10 minutes. I mean, that simple, from prep time to done time. I mean, this is where it's at. Remember, you're saving money, you are saving time, and you're not losing out on that flavor. Remember, you always want to keep it quick, you want to keep it simple, and you gotta keep it delicious. My name is Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.